Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in Redline 2. It looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting up front with your Dodge badging there. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there, and coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims, with our Komu brand tires. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have our Dodge badging as well as the Grand Caravan. You can open it up right here. And you got lots of room back here. It looks great. You can also fold these down. They are the stow and go seats. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You just gotta follow the instructions, and it pops right up for us. Just like that, gives you even more room. You can do the same with the other side, and it gives you tons of storage room. Okay, we got the keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button just up there. Now let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. A bit of chrome accenting. Handle here and nice leather to put your arm on. Got some storage in here and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. The interior is very nice. The cloth seats are very comfortable. Over here we do have the controls over our lights, so we have our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as you have your in-cabin light control right here. And up here we do also have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, which is 57,000, not too bad. You can also switch that around to your trip A. You got your trip B, you have your distance till empty, your kilometers, your liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside, and back to how many kilometers. That is controlled from right here. You got your horn in the center and your cruise control right there. Gear shift is right up here, and around the back of the steering wheel we do have a volume up and down button. So right over here for the radio we have our seek options, our AF switcher. We do also have our disc, our aux cord, and the forward and rewind there. You also have your volume up and down. You can press it to turn on and off. Presets down here, set. You also have your radio there and an aux cord. Down here we do have a dual climate system, which is very nice. So you can have different levels of hot or cold for you and your passenger. You have where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrost over there, and then the power and the circulation. Econ mode. You also have your hazard lights and your traction control there. Down here we got lots of room in there. Got some cup holders right here, and down here we have some extra storage. Got a dual layer glove box just over here, so we got our top layer with a little controller. I'll show you what that goes to in a second. And your locking glove box there with some headphones as well. And up top you do have a little sunglass holder with a mirror. Coming around to the back here, you got lots of room back here. It does seat 2 people in this one and 3 people back there. Looks great, very soft, same material as the front. Up here you do have a little DVD player, so you just gotta pull this, folds down. That's what the controller goes to as well. Looks great. You got some USB and an HDMI plug-in up there as well. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.